The structured approach of asset management considers the outcomes and purpose of organisations as well as the assets. For any project in the built environment to be a success and fit for the future, long-term thinking is key. And here is an excellent example.
Here at the Institution of Civil Engineers, we're going to look at an asset that has served London well for 150 years. And few projects have provided greater value and long-term benefit to residents and visitors than Sir Joseph Bazalgette's work beneath London streets in the mid-19th century.
I mean, London's sewer system, it has absolutely stood the test of time.
The institution's president says his pioneering work on London's sewer network is a great example of long-term thinking and sound investment.
One of the really big lessons to do with infrastructure, and it doesn't matter which sector we're thinking about, so it could be transport, water, energy, waste, buildings, digital, absolutely anything. The key shift in our thought process that we are coming to terms with now, but I think we've still got a long way to go, is that lowest cost and short-run delivery is not the end of the story at all. We absolutely have to get better at spotting the long-run benefit and also the long-run impacts, so the pluses and the minuses of the various pieces of infrastructure, both the assets and the systems that we actually put into place.
The ability to see how the enormous investment in new projects can complement existing infrastructure and provide added value to society as a whole is still a critical attribute today.
It's something like 0.5% of our built environment is what we add each year. So that 0.5% really matters, but so does the 99.5%. I think a key thing is to understand what we have and understand how connected it is. And so I think one of the aspects of this is really to see it as a system of systems.
The rapid development of technology has also ushered in a new age of data analytics, which can be applied to infrastructure and the whole built environment. And making use of technologies such as digital twins will be of huge benefit when managing assets.
A digital twin is a realistic digital representation of something in the real world. So you can imagine better operational decisions. So better operational decisions for trains. How you might understand that a train is going to break down, but before it does break down, you work out what to do to intervene to stop it from ever breaking down in service.
Now there's a drive to focus on the future and how assets can provide long-term benefits to society and the environment. Key to that will be working as a team, according to the IAM's president, and he says his organisation can help make that happen.
We're only going to achieve that by bringing together engineers, by bringing together investors, by bringing together sociologists, technologists. There's a whole host of people that need to be involved with this. I think we're in a unique position in that we provide that sort of platform that we can bring all of these other people who may be members of their own technical professional institute, but we can bring them together to share how they can contribute to the bigger picture.
Sir Joseph Bazalgette saw the bigger picture and planned for the long term nearly 200 years ago. Now the challenge is for us to invest wisely to do the same to help benefit the assets we value for generations to come.